You're stuck, trapped in a world where authority is handed down like an unwanted heirloom. Old titles, old names, old power that means nothing but weighs down everything. Everyone around pretends it's fair, pretends it's earned, but you know the truth. You see leaders climbing ladders built by their predecessors, not by their own sweat, their own blood. You've felt the rage brewing inside, seeing talented, sharp-minded people sidelined just because they lack the right name, the family signal, the invisible stamp of inherited authority. That frustration, that gnawing injustice, it's not just noise, it's a fever burning you up every day. But let's be brutal. Inherited authority? It's poison. It suffocates real talent. It breeds complacency. It stifles innovation. The worst leaders don't lead because they earned it. They lead because they were born into it. And the system worships this as if tradition is a god, but it's a cage, a lousy excuse to keep power locked away from those who deserve it. You know what happens? The system rots from the inside while the real creators, the real builders, get ignored or crushed. And the worst part? Many give up. They accept their place or fight fruitlessly because they believe the game is rigged. Here's the truth that most won't say: no system built on inherited authority will survive the next wave of challenges. The only way forward is re-earning value at every turn. That means power and influence, and yes, even money, must be constantly proven. No more resting on a name or a title. Every single day, every single project, every single result. Don't wait for a crown handed down like a gift. Take it by relentless action. Hit the ground running. Show up with results so clear, so undeniable, that people have to listen to you, follow you, invest in you. This is not just ideology. This is survival. You want to lead? Prove yourself. Don't just have a seat at the table. Make your voice a force that redefines the room every time you speak. Build a track record so damn powerful, so absolutely clear, that no one can question your authority. That means zero excuses for failures, rapid learning loops, deliberate mastery of your craft, and fierce, ruthless honesty about your weaknesses. If you're not measuring your value daily, then you're already losing. It's non-negotiable. And here's an insider's punch. Networks built on re-earned value change the game completely. Forget nepotism. Forget old boy clubs. Invest your energy into relationships that demand excellence, into partners who hold you accountable, into teams that only accept progress. Surround yourself with people who don't tolerate slackers or inherited ghosts of past glory. These connections fuel your rise. They sharpen your edge and keep your momentum brutal. Do not settle for allies who can't keep pace. If your network isn't raising the bar every week, you're wasting your life. But it's not just about working hard. It's about working smart, with strategic precision and unshakable focus. Pick the problems that matter, not the ones that distract. Deliver value that not only solves the immediate crisis, but changes the rules for tomorrow. That's how you outgrow inherited authority, by becoming irresistible thanks to the real impact you create, and never stop. Re-earning value means a constant cycle. You build, you prove, you deliver, then you build again. You don't pause, you don't rest on laurels, because the moment you do, the inherited gods are back to gatekeep your throne. This is a call for the relentless, the fierce, the ones who refuse to be boxed in by legacy. If you feel that fire inside, that unshakable demand to become rather than receive, then it's time to act. Strip away dependence on names or history. Create your own authority every single day with your own hands. Smash the illusions. Build the future with merit, action, and undeniable results. Stop waiting to be recognized. Forge your recognition out in the raw, grinding battlefield of achievement. This is your path. Abandon the ancient games of bloodline and entitlement. Step into a world where respect is earned and re-earned with relentless energy. Because only in that brutal, honest meritocracy will true leaders rise, real change happen, and the future be shaped by those who actually deserve to shape it. No excuses, no inherited cages, just pure, unstoppable becoming. Now go claim it.